Lucas, ang unang naging bahay ng Kanilayan ni Suna. Wala kaming bahay before, wala. Kabuyaw started his training on March 2024. His favorite submission is closed guard. Could we have also up on stage or in front, Emmanuel Pio Luis versus
Don't let him posture up! Don't let him posture up! Lucas! Grab the key! Grab the key! Pull down! Don't let him posture up! Nick! Grab the nip! Pull down! Pass! 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 Answer! Answer! Sige, Lucas! Lucas! Stay heavy! Lucas! Stay heavy! Yun. Stand up, Lucas! Stand up! Get your arm! Lucas, get your arm! Get your arm! Get your arm! Lucas, stand up! Stand up! Pass! Lucas, pass! Ayun! Pass! Pass! Lucas! Tayo! 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 Up, 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 up! Get your arm! Lucas! Get your arm! Get your arm! Lucas!
Anak, pag gaganyan, get your name na din sa kabila hababa.
Go up, Lucas! Stand up, Lucas! Stand up! Pass! Lucas! Full mount! Full mount! Full mount!
Full mount.
Lucas! Full mount! Full mount!
Lucas.
Up! Grab the back!
Nice one.
Get the back! Lucas! Get the back! Lucas! Pass!
Tayo!
Full mount! Full mount!
Full mount, Lucas. Full mount.
Closer! 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 Lucas! Kailangan mo umalis yan! Lucas! Dito! Pass! Lucas! Pass! Pass!
Tayo! 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 Woo! Set. Good job, Master. Good job, Master.
second Jiu-Jitsu anniversary. Kanilayan Jiu-Jitsu anniversary. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Second.
Ano daw?
Again. Okay. So, I will lead na lang the chant. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy second Kanilayan Jiu-Jitsu anniversary! One more time. Again. Happy second Kanilayan Jiu-Jitsu anniversary! One more. I'll shout again. Isa pa. Ready? 2, 3. Happy second Kanilayan Jiu-Jitsu anniversary! Thank you, everyone. You may take
Go, Master! Go! Wala na. Ano mo pa yun? Meron pa. Go, Master! Hindi kaya. May ano siya, may ano yun, may nginig. Go, Master! Woohoo! Ayo! Pat! Lumot! Kaya nga, hindi lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya. Tayo! Pass! Please! You would please! Get the back! No, no! Ay! Ay, ayos lang yan.
Stop!
Good job, Lucas! Go na, Backstreet Boys! Akit na, Backstreet Boys!
Nasa ba kayo tatlo dyan? Sumasama kayo? Sakbay-akbay. Ay, hindi ako bulak-bulak. One, two, three. Marcel, para malakas. Okay.
Lucas, ay baliktad, Lucas. Malamig ba? Lobat na ako.
And Marcel, lahat para malakas.
Come to the front to give to your child their
accessories ng mga players. Alam ko open mas na. I-request lang natin yung ating mga number 1. So,